It's Chainlink to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. Oh, my son, you've got a blockchain. No data on it, and it's such a pain. You're looking down, you're looking sad and blue. Don't worry, son, calm down. Call Chainlink. Yes. They'll come to the rescue. Look, it's Chainlink to the rescue. Always to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. Chainlink to the rescue once again. Another onboarding for Chainlink. Yeah, you know how they do, you know how they be, you know how they get down. And so Chainlink powers ChainSwap's secure cross-chain swaps with CCIP integration. So that's the cross-chain interoperability protocol. You all know what I think about Chainlink. Chainlink is amazing. Chainlink is basically infrastructure at this point. Something like 90% of DeFi price feeds come from Chainlink. And then the CCIP things allows chains to talk or exchange data and stuff. So, it's Chainlink to the rescue. So let's check it out. ChainSwap has successfully integrated Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, the CCIP, to enable secure and seamless cross-chain swaps. This collaboration has resulted in over 10 million in transaction volume and nearly 2,000 unique wallet users in just 4 months. Excuse me. ChainSwap recently upgraded its capabilities in a new development by successfully integrating Chainlink's cross-chain interoperability protocol, otherwise known as the CCIP. In the last 4 months, this collaboration has become home to $10 million worth of transaction volume, engaging nearly 2,000 unique wallet users. Noteworthy, this collaboration has been employed across several major blockchains, including Ethereum, Arbitrum, Polygon, Avalanche, Optimism, and Base. Bang! You know, this CCIP thing is huge. It's huge. It's infrastructure. With security being the utmost priority in cross-chain transactions, ChainSwap has been captivated by Chainlink's paramount security measures. Chainlink CCIP boasts a level 5 cross-chain security rating, backed by the robust risk management network. This network acts as a secondary validation layer, detecting and preventing any malicious activity that might endanger investor funds. Well, you know we don't like our funds being endangered. Look, since integrating Chainlink CCIP, ChainSwap has experienced a significant growth. It has undergone a number of audits, for which it has acquired a passing grade, gaining great trust amongst investors. This, coupled with the inherent security of CCIP, has positioned ChainSwap at the forefront as a preferred choice for users seeking secure cross-chain swaps. Another benefit besides CCIP's robust security measures is that Chainlink CCIP simplifies cross-chain token transfers through pre-built secure smart contracts. These contracts handle all the complexities of burning, minting, locking, and unlocking tokens across different blockchains, easing the process for developers and users. Yes, one click and you're good to go. Additionally, as Crypto News Flash earlier reported, Chainlink CCIP enables smart contracts to execute complex cross-chain operations swiftly. It simply allows the transfer of value alongside a set of instructions or how to utilize that value upon reaching its destination chain. And that's the beauty of smart contracts. I've always told you guys, smart contracts, honestly, are one of the best, my favorite things about blockchain. I told you my family, we own import-export companies. You know, I'm Jamaican, right? And my family, we have ranches back in Jamaica, and we grow sugarcane and mangoes. And we export it. And with smart contracts, this is what I'm talking about. You'll be able to do stuff, and things will, you know, through a smart contract, and they will automatically, the instructions will automatically. So, for instance, if my family sends, a ton of mangoes to someone in America, right? Because we export to America. Well, as soon as those mangoes reach the dock in Miami, there'll be there could be a chip inside the container with GPS coordinates. And once the GPS coordinates are reached, boom, automatically we get paid, right? So there's, no one can rip you off, right? If you send something and they decide not to pay you. Smart contracts are really amazing. They're really, really amazing, especially as far as I'm concerned for import-export. All right. So ChainSwap is really working hard to be the front runner of a cross-chain hub for all ecosystems by employing new developments. A highly anticipated development is the Telegram trading bot, which is in its final stage and will enable users to handle trades directly within the Telegram messaging app. Oh, really? Okay. This innovative piece will significantly enhance user experience while maintaining transactions' secure and seamless nature. Furthermore, ChainSwap has taken a step forward by hosting its own USDC liquidity pairs, which will significantly improve the speed of cross-chain transactions while continuing to utilize the Chainlink CCIP. By integrating Chainlink CCIP, ChainSwap has established itself as a leader in secure and efficient cross-chain token swaps. The platform's focus on user experience, adding to the robust security and flexibility offered by CCIP, paves the way for a future of seamless and trustworthy cross-chain transactions. As financial institutions continue to dig deep into the blockchain landscape, the need for robust compatibility becomes fundamental. CCIP emerges as the front runner. I told you, it is the front runner. It is. That's not just hype. All these blockchains are solutions looking for a problem. CCIP is actually a solution to many problems. So CCIP emerges as a front runner, offering a secure and seamless movement of tokens and data across blockchains. Bang! So Chainlink hodlers. Well, there you go. Another daggone onboarding. I'll tell you. Chainlink is so important. It's like infrastructure now. It's like infrastructure. We read the other day that the DTCC, JP Morgan and them are testing Chainlink for banking. We read about BlackRock testing Chainlink to, what were they going to tokenize something? Hold on, let me look. All right, BlackRock tested them to tokenize, what was that shit? Where was that? Anyways, like tokenized funds or something like this. I don't remember where we read that. Anyways, so Chainlink is loved by any organization that's trying to be fully FATF compliant, Financial Action Task Force compliant, fully within certain standards of security. And like I've said here for a long time, Chainlink is infrastructure. Chainlink is infrastructure. And if you're a Chainlink hodler, well, don't be afraid to accumulate more. Just my opinion. Bang, let's get on to the next story. Bang, IOTA.